You know how people celebrate their pre-convo, going to the studio with friends, taking picture together. I'm bringing my convocation rope to the gym, and today I will attempt my personal record for incline dumbbell chest press. Actually to 27.5 kg only. This is the QT Patuti dumbbell. If you guys can handle more, go for you. But for me, I only can handle this weight during very specific event. Either everything going amazing, very very well, or I suddenly become very very funny in life. There's no in between. And the last time actually I can handle this weight very comfortable, I used to listen to this New Jeans. Suddenly I listen to Cigarette After Sex. By the way, I changed to the rope, and by the time I changing, actually ada two guys kat belakang tengah ambil pil Panadol kala-kala, tapi kita snooze on, dia ambil pening kepala. Shout out to Eric sebab tolong rekodkan. Actually, if I cannot handle this way, I think it's okay because I have degree now. So as the weight goes up, actually nothing pun kan. It means just that emotional confusion is pretty solid pre-workout actually. Good lah. Kan ku bisikan ikan kangkung belajar. Now let's go home after we doing nothing